Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. First, confirm your iPhone is updated and the Gmail app is current. Outdated software often breaks sync. Make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data actually works by loading a web page, because connectivity is the most common culprit. While you're here, have your Google password and two-factor method ready so you can re-authenticate quickly. Once done, force close Gmail and reopen it to trigger a fresh connection before we move to account checks and permissions. Now inspect account setup. Go to Settings, Mail, Accounts, and tap the Gmail entry to verify it shows as active and syncs mail. If you use the Gmail app, open its settings and confirm background app refresh and mail sync are enabled so push and fetch can run. If mail still won't update, remove the Gmail account from iPhone and add it back. This clears stale tokens and often resolves authentication or label sync problems. Once re-added, let it fully sync before checking mail folders. Finish by restarting your iPhone to clear temporary issues, and if needed, uninstall and reinstall the Gmail app to reset its cache. Make sure Gmail web settings like filters or forwarding aren't hiding messages. Log into Mail. Google.com on a computer to inspect those options because the iPhone follows server rules. If problems persist, try the built-in Mail app or another client to isolate whether Gmail or the device is at fault. And if you use a VPN or configuration profile,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.